Are you shooting?
This is oregano, right?
Yeah.
It has a lot of like different energy than I'm used to. There is sort of like an old world energy, sort of like a manufacturing energy where you still have a lot of tools and people peeling garlic on the street and selling bottles of lemon juice, smelly fish market and energy cars. You have the ancient energy. You have like every time you look up you see Acropolis. So there's like beautiful mix and I'm still trying to understand it. On one hand to make a restaurant that is so humble but at the same time extremely, it's like a diva, you know, it's like an opera singer diva in its humbleness. And the food is like, you get a bowl of chickpeas. You look into it and you have this like water broth with broken bits of chickpea or bean. And this is basically like a diluted paint. So it's like a Peter Doig painting. Like this where everything is like there's a motif but everything is like cloudy. Every place is different, is that there's sort of like a different joy around consuming food or being with food. Are you actually prepared for cooking for the guest? Will it be full? Will it not be full? Who are the guests? Are they nice? Are they not nice? Are they here for the food? Are they here for the ambience? Who are the waiters? Who are the people we work with in the team? Where does the salt come from? What sugar do they have? What is the herbs like? Can you get this? Can you get that? And you know, all these things is like, while you actually cook, you also have to learn people to know. Just think about it. A life without structure, like if you're a chef and you don't have a restaurant, it's an investment to make it. It's your own platform. This little thing where you can actually invite people in to be a part of. Every day you come and you put the chickpeas and they boil and the fava beans and the potatoes and you can smell the smell and the same guy comes with the bread and the fish and you know, it's just like, this is where all the magic comes from the everyday. How do you become a good chef? You practice, right? Is practice just cooking for yourself or cooking for others? I think cooking is like DJing or playing music, you get a reaction. Yesterday while I was cooking, I was looking at your face and other people's face while you eat the eggplant, and I was like, do they actually like it? Is it good? And you know, like that reaction is important.